We have gone through the strong and the weak verbs in the three forms: present, past, and past participle. We have done words. We have also done verbs in the three forms that are very same for all three. Now we will do filling up and fill the blanks with the correct form of verbs given in the bracket. So looking at the verb, you read the sentence and write down the correct form of verbs. So complete the blank using the correct form of verb. That's what we are going to do. Complete the blank or fill in the blank. Fill in. Fill in the blanks fill in the blanks with the the correct the correct form of verb. Verb given in the bracket. Given in the bracket. And that's what we are going to do. So in the bracket, you have words given. So what we are going to do now, fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs given in the bracket. All you need to do is say aloud and we'll get the correct word. Okay. Now look at the sentence that I'm writing. First one I have here is, he was dash on a bed. Was dash on a bed. Okay. And the word given to you is, sit. Okay. Now, what will you do? He was dash on a bed. What will be the correct answer? He was sitting. Very good. He was sitting. He was sitting on a bed. Very good. Now we go to the next one. Let's see. He has. He has. And there's a word missing there. The letter. The letter. And the word in the bracket is, what is the word I'm giving you is letter, so write. So the word in the bracket is write. So now find the correct form of word. He has the letter. He has written. Very good. He has written the letter. Very good. Now, the next one I have here for you is Gandhiji Gandhiji dash India. India. And the word you have is, what is the word here? Love. So now, what form of verb will you put in? Gandhiji loved. Very good. Loved India. Good. The next sentence I have here for you is, I have, I have dash. The ups, the ups and downs, ups and downs. You've seen, I have dash the ups and downs of life, of ups and downs of life, and the word given to you is see. So, what form of verb will you put in now? I have. So, seen. Very good. I have seen the ups and downs. I've seen ups and downs of life. So, used he was sitting. He has, right, written. Gandhiji loved. I have seen the ups and downs of life. Now, the next sentence I have here is fifth one, and I have. Okay, my teacher, and my teacher dash me good values, good values. And the word in the bracket given to you is teach. 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 So, what form of verbs will you put? My teacher teaches the teachers. Very good. My teacher teaches me good values. Now, another sentence I have here is she has. She has dash of a plan. She has dash of a plan, and the word in the bracket is think. Think. You have the word here is think. So change the form of verb, and what will you get? She has thought of a plan. She has thought. You have been given think. She has thought of a plan. Very good. The next sentence I have here is Akbar really dash really dash for more than 3 hours. 3 hours. And the word given to you is sleep. Sleep. So what form of change the verb? Akbar rarely slept. Very good. Akbar rarely slept for more than 3 hours. Next I have here is it has. It has dash. It has dash the test of time. The test of time. And the bracket, you have a word. It has stand. You have the word stand. stand, and you change the form of verb, and you have written here, it has stand the time. No, it has stood. Very good. It has stood the test of time. Good. It has stood the test of time. Now we have another sentence for you. The boy has. The boy has dash. The boy has dashed across the English Channel. English Channel. And then you have the word given to you is swim. Swim. So now change the form of verb. The boy has swam. The boy has swam across the English Channel. And finally, one more sentence for you. And the last sentence is she dash up the letter in anger. And the word in bracket is tear. The word in the bracket is tear. So now you change the form of verb. She tore. She tore up. She tore up the letter in anger. Now, what have we done here? We filled in all the blanks with the correct form of verb given to us in the bracket in red. Okay? And then we took the verb and we put the correct form. Let's read the correct form of sentences here. He was sitting on a bed. He has written the letter. Gandhiji loved India. I have seen the ups and downs of life. My teacher teaches me good values. She has thought of a plan. Akbar rarely slept for more than 3 hours. It has stood the test of time. The boy has swam across the English Channel. Finally, she tore up the letter in anger. So, the words given, we change the form, the correct form to complete the 10 sentences.